Let's do something very fun and make a little care package for my friend who just got a Cricut. Okay, well, she didn't just get the Cricut, but she's been afraid to take it out of the box. So we're gonna give her some materials and some tools to hype her up. And no, it is not her birthday. This is just the only bag I have. We're gonna do a little makeup pouch that she can personalize. This little wood piece, the koozie. We're gonna do one of these little glass jars that has a straw with it. Straw. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3 fun little t-shirts to personalize. All right, let's get this girl some vinyl. I have really got to clean this out. We're gonna do some removable vinyl. We're gonna do some tech wrap in black. Oh, and you know what? We're gonna do this red maroon tech wrap too. She'll like that. We gotta do some puff vinyl. I'm gonna label this one so she knows what it is. Much better. I actually have this whole set of smart vinyl, so we're gonna give her that. And then obviously she's gonna need some transfer tape. And then just for funsies, let's do a new weeding hook. I love this little pink one. And a new little squeegee, because I have a million of them. Let's do some ceramic ornaments. We're gonna do one of these cups with a little lid. And then we're gonna do one of these little color changing tumblers. Let me show you what it looks like. So it changes colors in the sun. Woo woo, Cricut starter kit. I wish I had tissue paper, but I don't. So this is what it is.